Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's dive into drawing a head using Loomis Method. Loomis Method stands for lines, units, meshes, and shading, and is a structured approach to drawing that helps artists break down complex subjects like human head into manageable steps. First, let's talk about lines. When starting a head drawing, you want to begin with simple lines to establish the basic proportions and structure. Start with a circle to represent the skull and then add a horizontal line halfway down for the eye line and vertical line down the center for the nose line. Next up is unit. Think of units as measurements or proportions within the face. For example, the eyes are typically spaced on one eye width apart, and the mouth is usually located halfway between the nose and chin. Pay attention to these units helps ensure accuracy in your drawing. Moving on to meshes. This is where you start to give your drawing volume and form. Instead of focusing on individual features, think about the head as a series of simple meshes or shapes. For example, the forehead can be simplified into a rounded shape, and the jaw can be represented as a boxy form. Don't be afraid to make mistakes or erase and refine your drawing as needed. Drawing is a process of trial and error, so embrace the opportunity to make adjustments and improvements along the way. In summary, the Loomis Method provides a systematic approach to drawing a head, guiding you through the process step by step. By focusing on lines, units, meshes, and shading, you can create a realistic and expressive portrait with confidence. Happy drawing!